How does a writer effectively write overlapping dialogue between characters?
There's a function in Final Draft that you just
Okay. You just move them, yeah.
Well, actually, there are a couple of different. I mean, really, it all goes back to clarity. So you're just trying to convey, right, what we're going to be seeing and hearing on screen as clearly as you can on the page. And so there's a couple different things you can do. There really is the dual dialogue function, right, where you can have two characters speaking at the same time. They each have individual lines and they're just set side by side. Or if you want a little bit like sort of a messier ongoing conversation, I would say you'd probably just, sort of structure your dialogue so that you don't have complete sentences. You have sentences that are ending in a dash so that we know that one character is cutting off the other character. Make sure they're using like pretty short sides of dialogue so that it reads with that rhythm where it feels like, one person's overlapping over another one, if that's the effect that you're going for.
Right, like I'm thinking of Uncut Gems.
I haven't seen
Oh, you haven't? Okay.
No.
How about Moonstruck?
Sure.
Yeah, there was a lot of yelling and, and getting mad, or even My Big Fat Greek Wedding, same type of thing, a lot of, but that's just how everybody was in that setting interacting.
Yeah. I mean, I think the goal of the screenwriter is probably always to convey as much of the feel of that on the page as you can. And then, of course, when it's in production, you'll have some direction to help you out too.
Right. And it was all in a loving way. That's how they communicated.
Right.